Hello all, thank you for joining today on Sunday's Premiere Train. Our lineup today is Mina Villegas at 2 o'clock. I'm today at 2:30, so if you have not seen Mina's video, please show some support and check her video out after today's premieres and see what she created. Mina is extremely talented and we love her. So yeah, for those of you who have not been to my channel or who have followed over from Mina's channel this morning after her premiere, thank you. I really appreciate the support. And if you could consider subscribing, if you are not already subscribed, that would be wonderful. You can even select that notifications bar so that you get notified when I put up a video. After me is the lovely and talented Gina DeLuca, and after her are Art Studios. Those boys have talent too. And then Fiona Art will be closing this up and wrapping it up for the day at 4 o'clock live on her channel. All of these channel links are in my video description box below. Again, please show them some support and give them a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channels, share our videos. Those are all things you can do to support our art and our continuation to bringing beautiful pieces of work to you. So today we are working on a 20 by 24 inch canvas, and we are going to be attempting another pearl pour. Honestly, I started measuring, I over measured my Floetrol, under measured my GAC. So this really is a science project and I don't know what's going to happen because some of my measurements are really off. But we'll see. Hopefully it turns out beautiful. The colors that I have lined up is PBO's Iridescent Gold. I have Arteza's Pearl Copper Gold, and if you guys get a chance, there's also a link to Arteza's. You get a 10% coupon using my name, and the links are below, but they're Pearl Copper Gold, Bordeaux Red. I mean, they have a slew of colors that are absolutely gorgeous, and I highly recommend them. I'm also using Bright Aqua Green mixed with, oh gosh, Metallic Aqua Marine from Craftsmart. These paints, these craft paints are really good when you mix them with a heavier bodied paint, and they add a little extra to it. I have Liquitex Ultramarine Blue. I also have blue, Anthraquinone Blue by Golden. This is their fluid acrylic. I love this color. Oh, my favorite. Also. And my white, like I said, is a whole mix of stuff that I'm not even sure if the mixture is correct anymore because I mismeasured on a couple of occasions, and then after that I just had to wing it. I mean, I really had to just feel what I was doing, and the consistency of it. Let me see if I can get it up to you guys. It literally just flows off of my spatula and then sort of makes a concave area where the paint's falling in, and then it recovers, if that makes sense. So enough of me babbling. I think this is the most I've talked in a long time in a video, but yeah, so please consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, follow the Premiere Train, support other artists, share our videos. Those are all things that you can do to help our channels continue to grow and help us. Okay, so I have flooded my canvas. I'm gonna give it a quick torch because there are some air bubbles. I'm gonna move my white a bit out of the way. And I am gonna start with the darker color first because it does add depth and contrast to the pour. I'm almost feeling like this is going to be too thick, and I thought I watered them down enough, but we'll see. I'm gonna do a little more of the anthraquinone in the middle. And more gold on top.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
Okay guys, so this is not what I had intended to happen. So something was wrong with my colors. I think I'm pretty positive that it was my base, but who knows? So I've just thrown a bunch of stuff in here. I'm gonna try and do it again. You know, it's trial by error. Nobody's perfect. It's not gonna be perfect. We want it to be perfect, but it's not always perfect. So we are going to do that. I'm gonna stretch it out a bit. So this is what happens if you don't pay attention. I was paying attention, I think, but I just made a mistake in my calculations. Ugh. And just swipies. So cute. I gotta get doing those again, huh? All right, so maybe my base is just not thin enough. I don't know. Or maybe it is. Let me just bring this down a little further because I really like this lower corner. I mean, what do I got to lose? Just paint, right? I lost my cup somewhere under the painting. Hope you guys weren't too frustrated with my journey. Be sure to check out Gina DeLuca next, Mossy Art Studios, and then Fiona live at 4. And if you missed Mina Villegas's video, check it out. Her video link is in the description box. And so I love this. Actually, this is super vibrant in here. It's not really showing up. It actually looks a lot darker on my camera, but who knows? And this is like bright aqua also. So this color right here is what's really going on in the center there, and we can't really see it, but I'm really excited to see how this dries, and we'll go from there. Guys, thanks so much for coming. You have a wonderful day. Bye.